Good morning, students. So, today we will do a new topic that we have left in the unit Mathematics of Finance, part 2. And the topic is mixture, concept of mixture and its example. It is related to the ratio and proportion. Okay, at that time, I have left the topic concept of mixture that we will study today, right? So it is clear from the word mixture means here we have to mix two things, okay, two different material we mix, and different cases arises there. In some cases you have to find their ratio, the ratio of the quantity. When you in the mixture you have to find the ratio of the both the quantity. In some time you have to find the cost of the any one of the quantity. So different cases will be there. So at first we will study the basics of mixture, right? And mixture is the different name we use for mixture is alligation, right? The mathematical term that we use, alligation, right? This alligation we used in the theory of mixture, right? So what is the alligation? So it is the rule, that enables us to find the ratio, in which two or more ingredients at the given price must be mixed to produce a mixture of a desired price. Okay, so that is what is alligation. Alligation is a rule, right? It is the rule that enables us, means it gives us the formula to find the ratio in which two or more ingredients at the given price must mixed to produce a mixture of desired price. Okay, in which two or more things we mix together and we get a mixture, and we have to find the ratio of that different quantities in that mixture, right? Now another word we find here is mean price. What is the mean price? The cost of a unit quantity of the mixture. The cost of a unit quantity of the mixture is called the mean price. Means mean price, why it is called means, because here you are adding two ingredients, and mean price is the cost of a unit of that mixture that we get after mixing the two ingredients, right? Now we move to the rule of alligation. What is that rule which enables us to find the ratio? Okay, so rule of alligation. It's the rule of alligation. So if two ingredients are mixed, if two ingredients are mixed, then quantity of cheaper one, means which is low price, quantity of cheaper divided by quantity of dearer, means which is of high cost, is equal to cost price of dearer minus mean price divided by mean price minus cost price of cheaper. So this is the rule that we get from the allegation, from which we can find the ratio. This is the quantity of cheaper by quantity of dearer. This is the ratio. This is equals to cost price. In your question, you are given the cost price of dearer minus the mean price, that is the price of that mixture, and divided by mean price minus cost price of the cheaper one, right? You can write it as CP of a unit quantity of cheaper one. You can take it as C. Here CP of a unit quantity of dearer, we take it as D. Then here we take the mean price, it is the mean price, we take it as small m, and now it is D minus m, it is m minus C. Okay, so in this way, if you write from the question, it becomes easier for you to calculate. You write the cost price of a unit, a particular unit quantity of the cheaper one, this is the dearer one, here the mean price, here you have to D minus n, here you have to m minus C. Now you have to find the ratio of this and this. This gives the ratio of the quantity, right? So from here we get cheaper quantity divided by dearer quantity is equal to, cheaper quantity means it will be D minus m by m minus C. Okay, so this is the form. Okay, next one point we have, suppose a container contains X units of liquid from which Y units are taken out. Suppose you have 10 liters of milk in a jar, from that 5 liters you have taken out and replaced by water. After n operations, means you have done it for 2 or 3 times, whatever times you have done, then the quantity of pure liquid, okay, means suppose a container contains X units of liquid from which Y units are taken out and replaced by water. After n operations, means you have done this process n times. After n operations, the quantity of pure liquid, the quantity of pure liquid is equal to x 1 minus y by x to the power n units. Means, suppose in a container, I am giving an example. Suppose in a container we have 10 liters of milk, right? Means we have a container. Here we have 10 liters. Initially we have 10 liters of milk, right? Then we take out 5 liters taken out, and here we add 5 liters of water. Okay, and this process we repeat n times. So many times if we repeat, suppose we repeat it for 3 times. 3 times we have done this. Means we are adding 5 liter and removing 5 liter from the original one. Then the quantity of pure liquid in this container. Here the pure liquid is milk. So quantity will be, you can find out here, your x is 10 and y is your 5. And how many times? 3 times you are doing this process. So you will get 5 by 10 cube, that is 1 by 2, means 10 into by 8. So 10 by 8 liters the quantity of the pure liquid in that container, right? So this is the formula we have to use. Now we move to the problems. The very first problem we take: in what ratio must rice at rupees 9.30 per kg be mixed with rice at rupees 10.80 per kg, so that the mixture be worth rupees 10 per kg. Okay, so here your question is, you have to find the ratio of the quantity. Here 2 type of rice are mixed. The first type costs rupees 9.30 per kg, and the second type of rice costs rupees 10.80 per kg. And we are mixing both the rice, so that in what ratio we should mix both of them, so that the cost of our mixture, the new mixture that we get, the cost of that mixture is rupees 10 per kg. Okay, so here we use the alligation. So by alligation, here our cheaper one is, means our C is rupees 9.30, D is rupees 10.80, and our M is rupees 10, right? So we calculate it. Let me convert it into paise so that our calculation become easier. So we take cost price of 1 kg rice of first kind, that is C, it is 930. We are converting in paise. Then cost price of second type that is D, it is dearer, so it will be 1080. We convert it into paise. Then our mean one is 1000, it is M. Now here we have to write D minus M. This is D minus M, we get 80, and M minus C we get 70. Okay, so our required ratio, therefore required ratio is 80:70, that is 8:7. Means you have to add the two type of rice in the ratio 8:7 ratio. You have to mix, so that your mixture will be cost rupees 10 per kg, right? Next question. How much water must be added? How much water must be added to 60 liters of milk, to 60 liters of milk at 1.5 liters for rupees 20, so as to have a mixture, worth rupees 10 2/3 a liter. Okay, so here the question is little bit different. Here you are asking how much water must be added to 60 liters of milk. Okay, here you have to mix water and milk. The two type of one is water, another is milk. Means you have to find the quantity of the water that must be added to the 60 liters of milk at 1.5 liters for rupees 20. Your milk will cost 1.5 liter. For 1.5 liters you have to pay rupees 20, and so as to have a mixture worth rupees, the mean price is given. The mean price is rupees 10 2/3 per liter, right? Here you are given for 1.5 liters. If your 1.5 liters cost rupees 20, you can find out for 1 liter, right? But the main motto is to find out the quantity of water. So here we use the again allegation. So we write cost price of 1 liter of water. It is not given, so we take it as 0. And cost price of 1 liter milk. So if 1.5 liters for rupees 20, then your 1 liter will cost rupees 40/3. You can find it by your unitary method, right? Means you can find it like this. I will show you later on. I will show you. Here the mean price is M is rupees 32/3. It is 10 mixed fraction, it is given 10 2/3, so it is 32/3. Now this is your C, this is your D, this is your M. Here D minus M means 40/3 minus 32/3. Here 32/3 minus 0. This is D minus M, this is M minus C. So here you get 8/3, here 32/3. The ratio of water and milk. Ratio of water and milk is equal to 8/3 is to 32/3, that is 1:4. Okay, so ratio of water and milk is 1:4 we get in the final mixture. So we can find out the quantity of water to be added. Therefore quantity of water to be added to 60 liters of milk, 60 liters of milk will be 1 by 4 into 60, that is 15 liters. Means if you have 60 liters of milk, there we have to add 15 liters of water, so that your mixture will cost rupees 32 by 3 per liter. Okay, now I will show you how you find the cost of 1 liter of milk. You are given that 1.5 liters means 4 by 3 liters will cost rupees 20. This gives 1 liter will cost rupees 20 by 4 into 3, means 4 divided by 3. So it will be, here I have done one mistake, I have taken 1 by 3, it is 1 by 2, so it becomes 3 by 2 liter. So here you will get 3 2, so ultimately you will get rupees 40 by 3 per liter. Okay, so in this way we find the cost of 1 liter of milk. So these are the type of questions we find in mixture. Next we do some more problems in our next class. Thank you.